So who am I and what do I do? My name is Dr. Scott Sims. I'm a clinical psychologist. I have a private practice here in the Kansas City area as a group practice, and I'm one of the owners. And I've recently joined AA back in November and have started my class. So I'm very excited to be a part of the group. So my life looked like what my life looked like before I joined AA was running my business full time. And as anybody who is in the program probably knows, who's a small business owner, it is a lot of hours working, far more hours outside of the therapy room, seeing probably 8 to 11 patients per day, but then also doing all the networking, trading time for dollars. Lots of time that I was not getting paid for just to build my practice. It was hectic. I'm also a father, married for over 20 years, and I have 3 children, ages 18 down to 12. So very, very busy life. So AA has benefited my life in several ways, but I'm really looking forward to the ways it's about to benefit my life. So far, it has been a lot of work, which I don't mind. But since being enrolled in the program, it's really given me the tools necessary that I've needed for years. I started back in probably 2009, 2010, coming up with different programs, started a blog. I've tried to create different programs in my company. Never really took off because I didn't have the structure that I needed that Sunny's program has really provided for me when it came to establishing classes and knowing all of the steps on how to take it. So how it's benefited me since I've been in the program is I feel like I have so much more direction. I have so much more like drive and desire and motivation to get to the next steps because of the program and how it's lined out in such a nice step-by-step format that really speaks to my perfectionistic qualities of my personality, but also gives me, helps me really narrow down my niche, which is where I've really struggled with in terms of being a psychologist. The psychological field is massive, and there's so many different ways of trying to help people in that space. Now I feel like I have a very intense direction and I feel very purposeful about it. And I'm so excited to bring my class to the masses to really help people. The tangible results that I've been able to achieve have been really understanding the niche that I wanted to create by doing all of the worksheets and doing all the preemptive work to getting into the ICA calls to really narrow down what I really want to do. Once I started to do the ICA calls, that was really a great tangible moment for me because I was actively verifying my class, like trying to get it out into the public. And I got very purposeful about the ways that I was running my social media. I went from 0 followers on TikTok. Now I'm up to almost 35,000 on TikTok in just 8 months or so. So I have a pretty big following on that. And the messaging that I have now is spot on. It's right in line with what Sunny talks about, the magnetic messaging. The other part of this is that I've done my pop. I've been very excited about my pop. I've had 5 clients and to really test the foundation of this program. And I'm very excited and very happy with the results. What I would tell somebody who is thinking of investing their time and energy into the Authority Accelerator is that it's been a very positive experience for myself based on all the questions that I've just answered on the interview here. But really, it's if you want something that is step by step, which is something that I was sorely lacking when I was trying to do all of this on my own, and gives you a very easy to follow format, then I think Sunny's program is for you. If you are a person who thinks this is going to be super easy and that it's all going to magically transform you and make it all like you're not going to have to put in a lot of work, that is not how it works. That's not how any business works, by the way. And so, you're going to have to put in the time and effort and energy to really get the results that you want. And that means you're going to have to step outside your comfort zone and really bite the bullet when it comes to, distress tolerance and being able to work through your frustrations and your own self-sabotage. So It's a fantastic program. I highly recommend it. I would recommend it to anybody who is looking to try to exchange their, get some of their time back, which is what my main focus is time back so that I'm not working so much.